This course is a introduction to income tax. When a student comes away from this course, they have a pretty good understanding of a lot of the rules that they'll face one day as an individual, or that their clients or businesses that they work for may be facing. I think a lot of students appreciate learning the individual tax rules because they are individuals, whether they're going to be pursuing a career in tax or audit or something else. That being said, I think students also appreciate learning some of the background information about how we got these rules in the first place, the political process, the debates, the compromises that go into developing the rules that are the Internal Revenue Code. So I think a lot of students find that surprisingly interesting as well. The very last thing the students will do in the individual portion of the course before taking their final exam is to complete an individual tax return, which is a culminating project that I think is surprising to students because a lot of them come away and actually enjoy the process, which I know nobody listening to this now will probably believe, but I've literally had a student say that was the most fun they've ever had in the MAC program. So I think it can be a pretty satisfying experience. And then more generically, any business has to think and know and make decisions by incorporating the tax laws into their thought process. So anyone that wants to advise a business or work for a business, it's going to be useful for them to understand this really important factor that influences decision making.